Nagawin kepada Sam with the layup. Illegal hawak. Number 22. Illegal hawak by number 22. First person foul. Number 7, pass to number 10. Pass sa ilalim, number 25, hook shot. Pasok. Tuwa-tuwa. Score din natin, just the ball sa 32. 12 ang lamang ng TJ. Number 45. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18, Father Sam. Father Sam with the ball. Nasa natin. Balik number 45. Dribbling sa ilalim. What foul? Foul by number 12. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots. First try. Go! Second shot. Number 21. Salah. Iwan by number 2, Nahay. Pass to number 7. Intercepted by number 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Number 18, pass to number 15. Pass to number 45. Number 18, foul. Number 12, illegal sundot. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 45. Limas ang bola na to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 45. Jump shot. Tapos. Number 12. Pass to number 25. Number 25. No good. Nice defense. Nice job. Traveling. Traveling violation. 12-1 and 44-33. Number 45. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass back to number 45. To number 21. 4-3. Foul.
Tatlo.
3 shots by number 7.
Shoot ka
Second
ha!
personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Ref 3 shots. 3 shots.
Baby!
First try. Salah.
2-2.
Second out of 3. Salah ulit. Last try. Pasok. Number 10, inbounding the ball. Full court press by Yellow Team. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Number 25, super layup. Off the board, Salah. Rebound na number 22, nabitawan. Number 25, Burala. Number 45, nakuha ang bola. Nasunod. Hawak mo rin. Yan, number 7. Number 10, hit the ball. Number 2. Ay, ayun. Number 45, hit the ball. Pass to number 18. Number 18, hawak ng bola. Pass sa ilalim, number 15. Double pass. Number 2, rebound by number 18.